What if your entire workspace could be designed to make you focus better? No distractions, no complicated apps, just a clean, aesthetic dashboard. That's exactly what Flocus is all about. But is it actually worth using in 2026, or just another basic productivity tool? Let's find out. So first, what is Flocus? Flocus is a browser-based productivity dashboard. It combines a focus timer, ambient sounds, and a simple task manager, all in one place. Think of it like a minimal workspace designed to help you stay focused. Now let's talk about the best features. The biggest one is the focus timer. You can use Pomodoro sessions, countdown timers, or custom timers to structure your work. Second, the soundscapes. You can add background sounds like rain, cafe noise, or nature, which helps create a focused environment. Third, the design. This is where Flocus really stands out. It's clean, aesthetic, and distraction-free, which makes it perfect for studying or deep work. And finally, it's super simple. No complicated setup, no learning curve. You just open it and start working. Now, let's talk about pricing. Flocus has a free version, which already gives you access to the basic features, but there's also a paid version, usually around $10 per month, which unlocks more customization and features. And this is where opinions start to split. Now let's be honest, what are the downsides? First, limited features. Compared to advanced productivity tools, Flocus is pretty basic. Second, no mobile app. It only works in your browser, which can be a limitation if you like working on your phone. And third, pricing. Some users feel that paying monthly for what is essentially a timer and background sounds is not really worth it. But on the other hand, many users love the experience. They say it helps them stay focused, build routines, and enjoy their work more, simply because the environment feels good. So, is Flocus worth it? Here's the honest answer. If you want a simple, beautiful tool to help you focus, Flocus is actually great. But if you need advanced features, deep task management, or a full productivity system, this might feel too limited. Final verdict? Flocus is not the most powerful productivity app, but it's one of the most enjoyable to use. And sometimes that's exactly what you need to stay focused. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe, and tell me in the comments which AI tool I should test next.